Hey, what's up everyone? Jack Miller here from Jack's Digital Ventures. In this video, we're diving into the best online business models for 2025. Whether you're brand new or looking to grow what you've already started, I'll walk you through 3 powerful ways to make money online this year. And just so you know, at any point during this video, if you want to check out the fastest, easiest, and most effective strategy I've found, there's a free training waiting for you in the pinned comment below to help you get started the right way. First up is dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell physical products online without ever keeping inventory yourself. Here's how it works. You create an online store, list products, usually from suppliers like AliExpress, and when someone buys, your supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You handle marketing and customer experience, while the supplier does the fulfillment. Next is e-commerce, which is similar to dropshipping, but gives you more control. In this model, you sell your own branded products, either ones you manufacture, white label, or buy in bulk. You store them yourself or use a service like ShipBob or Amazon FBA. You're responsible for packaging, shipping, and customer support. It takes more time and investment up front, but it builds real brand equity and can be highly profitable. And finally, there's affiliate marketing, my personal favorite. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product or service and earn a commission for each sale or lead. You don't have to create anything yourself. You just focus on getting traffic through platforms like YouTube, social media, email, or ads. Then send people to a product using your unique affiliate link. It's one of the simplest and most scalable ways to earn income online. If you want to learn exactly how I do it and get started without the guesswork, grab my free gift in the pinned comment below. It's a free online training to help you get going. And hey, if you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. But thanks for watching my video. You take care and have a great day.